Okay, this is a Shemaugh or a kefia, if I'm pronouncing that right. But so it's about a 30-inch square piece of like cotton. It's loose so you can see through it. But these originated in the Middle East, and I want to show you how to tie one today because it's starting to cool off and they can keep you warm and keep all the heat around your neck in. So stick with me. Okay, it's freezing out here. It doesn't really look like it, but I'm gonna make this quick. So today I wanted to show you how to put on a smog, which is a scarf you'll see typically in movies with the military guys. They'll wear them, or like Arabs. Okay, so you'll want to take it and fold it into a triangle. Okay, and then loop it around a couple of times. Put this part around here, and then you cross it, and then you take these two and you tie them in the front. Okay, just an overhand knot. And then you take that part and you tuck them underneath. And that's kind of how it works. And then if you need to, since COVID, just covers your face. And if you don't really like it tighter, you can leave it and not loop it around. And then you have a little bit more fluff to deal with. So it's starting to cool off, and I wanted to show you guys how to wear one of these things. So you just like pull it up, you wrap it around your head, and they're multifunctional. So like I mentioned in my last video, that's the best, is things that you can use for a multitude of other things with only having one object. So thanks for watching.